with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, you wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi, but I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh.
So what is up, my babes? I know it has been a long time since I put out a video, but since I am back, I am back. I was on my 7-day work stretch, but nonetheless, like I said, I am back. So today I brought a hair video for you guys, and this hair was provided by Hairsmarket. I did make this unit into a sewing machine wig, which y'all already know. This is like my second wig that I have made on the sewing machine. This is my first wig that I have made with the straight hair on the sewing machine. But yeah, so let's get into the specs of this hair. Now, Hairsmarket did send me over 22-inch, a 20-inch, and an 18-inch bundle. And they also sent me a 13x4. Let me double check. Yep, they sent me a 13x4 HD closure. I could truly tell that this was a HD closure because of the knots. Now, it did not come pre-bleached. It did come pre-plucked. It did not come pre-bleached, so I did have to bleach that. I used like the Collider Colors of powder, and I also used a 30 volume developer from Sally's, and I just left it on for 30 minutes and it got this color right here. Now I will say about the hair that the hair is super freaking thick, y'all. Like, I don't know if y'all could see my ponytail, like the girth of it, and I hate to say that word because it reminds me of some bad words, but y'all, this ponytail is thick as shit. Like, the hair is thick. Now, I really honestly thought that the hair wasn't going to be that thick and it was going to be that thin just based off how the bundles look, but this hair is really, really thick. Like, I really, really like it, y'all. And so, like I said, my longest bundle was a 22-inch. 22 inches comes about, it comes about right here to me, right here about where my pants start. So that's 22 inches. It is really, really long and true to length, so I will say that. Now, with the frontal, I mean, I'm on this new wave where I don't really like frontals anymore, so I actually cut the frontal to about here and here on both sides, and I made it just similar to what like a closure would be. And so then I made the little sewing machine wig, and y'all, I love the fact that I don't have frontals anymore, because frontals can be very, very high maintenance, and it's a lot of work with frontals. So with this unit, you guys will see where I just put one layer of the Bold Hold Active on my forehead, and I was able to just lay it down and rub everything in. Now, I will say I will always love a HD frontal or closure because it helps the unit blend more seamlessly into your scalp. And so I get a little bit closer for you so you guys can see, and as you guys can see, this looks really, really good, and I'm really, really proud of myself. So now, one thing that I will say about this hair is, although the hair is thick and everything like that, the hair really didn't tangle at all. Whenever I washed it and everything like that to bleach the knots and stuff, the hair really didn't tangle up. Now, I will say, whenever the hair is wet, it kind of has like a little slight wave to it, which I kind of like, because I like having options with my hair. I like the fact that I can wear it I like the fact that I can wear it straight, and I like the fact that if I get it wet, it can kind of have that ability to wave up. So I will say that I like that about the hair. Now the hair does have some shedding, and I will say all hair companies, everywhere, everybody, anybody that sells hair, you will have some shedding with your wigs, your bundles, whatever. You'll just have some shedding. Some shed more than others and some don't. Now I will say this hair, it really doesn't shed that much, but I still get some shedding, and like I just said, that is to be expected. The hair did straighten well. It did not have it doesn't have a smell to it. It actually smells good. You know that smell whenever you wet some of your units and stuff like that, where it smells like, it just smells bad. Like this hair did not have that smell, and I appreciate that. I don't know what y'all did, but y'all might want to let some of these other hair companies know what y'all did, because honey, this hair does not stink whenever it gets wet. But yeah, so this unit that I made honestly reminds me of a 200% density type of wig. I don't know if you guys have ever had the chance or opportunity to try out a 200 or 250% density wig. Those wigs are thick, honey, and these bundles are thick as well. I'm so sorry, I keep saying wigs and bundles, and these are bundles that I made into a wig. But yeah, so the hair has this nice little luster. Now I did put some bio silk in it after I straightened it, just to give it more so of a shine. But overall, I will say I like the hair. You guys tell me if you like it. You guys tell me how y'all liking my frontal / closure action that I did here. And I like the fact that they have the option to do HD. And a lot of companies out there, they don't have that option to do HD frontals and closures. But if you ever get the opportunity or chance, try them out, because they are the GOAT. No more triple knotted type of knots in the lace no more. We're not taking that to 2020. We're doing HD frontals and closure all 2020, y'all. And Hairsmarket has some nice HD frontals and closures. Now I will say about their packaging to me was just kind of plain. Now that's one thing I will say, if I was a company, I would want to step up on, because let me show y'all the box. All right, so this is the box, right? This is a plain pink box with their sticker on it. So that's one downfall that I will say about that. The wig does come with like, it does come with like some angel recruiting card. So pretty much if you make a video about it, they'll give you $10 cash. So they have that little info right there. And then they also come with these hairnet things, which I don't use, but you know, they put it in there. But yeah guys, so I would just totally 100% say, if anything or if any room was needed to be improved in, it would be your marketing and branding on your boxes right here. But other than that, I really like the hair, guys. It bleached very well. It's not giving me any issues. I'm not really snagging or anything like that. And I did just apply this wig maybe like a few hours ago. So I will keep you guys updated. If you follow me on my Instagram and my Snapchat, I will keep you guys updated about this hair. If you guys are in the market for like some HD frontals or closures and some really thick, good quality hair, then go ahead and check out Hairsmarket. All of their information will be listed down below. And I will see you guys in my next video.